crimp. Obsolete, easily crumbled, friable, brittle. Obsolete, weak, inconsistent, contradictory. A fastener or a fastening method that secures parts by bending metal around a joint and squeezing it together, often with a tool that adds indentations to capture the parts. The natural curliness of wool fibers. Usually in the plural, hair that is shaped so it bends back and forth in many short kinks. Obsolete, a card game. To press into small ridges or folds, to pleat, to corrugate. To fasten by bending metal so that it squeezes around the parts to be fastened. To pinch and hold, to seize. To style hair into a crimp, to form hair into tight curls, to make it kinky. To bend or mold leather into shape. To gash the flesh, e.g. of a raw fish, to make it crisper when cooked. An agent who procures seamen, soldier, etc., especially by decoying, entrapping, impressing, or seducing them. Specifically, law, one who infringes subsection 1 of the Merchant Shipping Act of 1854, applied to a person other than the owner, master, etc., who engages seamen without a license from the Board of Trade. Obsolete, a keeper of a low lodging house where sailors and emigrants are entrapped and fleeced. Transitive, to impress, seamen or soldiers, to entrap, to decoy. C R I M P. Crimp.